Hi guys, it's Marie. Okay, and today, oh, it slid down. You know what? Why don't I just leave it like that? I have a package. I don't usually do unboxings because, I mean, I don't want to go through the trouble of editing a video, but this guy's actually very special. I traded him away a while ago for a new suit, and I regret it because the person I traded him to, even though it was agreement, went behind my back and skinned him, but I've forgiven that person. We both know what happened was wrong and all that, so I'm not giving out any names, but from there they sold him to somebody. That somebody was Saltyneo. Saltyneo bought him and had him for a while. I put my fursuit, my full suit Springer up for offers because I never really wore her, and I really wanted a skulldog, so they offered Sylvester, and I was like, whoa, what? That's my dude, but different. So, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get this boy open so I can show you who I'm talking about. Josh. Never mind, I found it. Ouch. I don't know. Knife time. I'm not trying to cut off your foot, dummy. I don't trust you with knives. What are you talking about? So, Neo said that there are some things in here that I might not understand what they are. So, I'm gonna have to ask Neo what they are. No, there's not, Josh.
Ask what camera are there?
Okay, we got it open and it smells heavily of lavender. Come here and smell it. I love it. I see his little ears. Josh, get away. Move!
It smells like Walmart.
He just said it smells like Walmart.
You know the garden
The
section?
box.
It reminds you of my mom's house.
And all this lovely padding. Oh, there's so many goodies in here. There's a letter, and it's got him on it. Don't touch anything, Josh. Thank you so much. You don't know how long I've been waiting to get a full suit, and you made my dream come true. Super excited that I was able to reunite you with Sylvester, and I hope this makes you as happy as he made me. Thanks so much again. Thank you! Oh my god, thank you so much for giving me my baby boy back. I have no words to describe how I feel right now, and I'm so glad that I made your dream come true, getting a full suit. Full suits just aren't for me. Are you sick? Give that to me! He stole the sushi.
It's what?
It's sushi.
Oh.
Oh my god, thank you! Yeah, sushi. Don't touch anything else.
One, two, three.
This cool little laminated thing of him. Oh my god, thank you. No. They sold Sylvester the character separately. The person who skinned him sold him separately. But I have to go through Possum X to get him back, which I'm going to. I have the money. I'm gonna offer a big chunk amount of money to get his art back.
So, the character separately from the skull.
Look at this! Look at all these little goodies in here! Oh my god! Okay, this is coming to a con with me. Even though Anthrocon was cancelled, I mean, there's always next year. Okay, I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna have to ask.
I think I know what it is.
It looks like a harness, like something to go on his nose.
Oh, I was thinking, yeah.
Don't touch him! And this, I know what this is. This is his flower crown.
Fuck, that's a goddamn.
Yes! It's Corona time! It's Corona I can put this on while I'm wearing masks. Since I lost the other day. I just coughed, so apparently I have corona now. Thank you. This is great. And now, for the big boy reveal. The blanket's in here! I told you it was gonna be in there.
I have to get Danny.
Get Danny and show him that the blanket's back. Thank you.
Something blankets traveled farther than I ever had in my life.
Oh my goodness. My boy. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh, there's phones with him. It's trapped far. It's in the box.
Blanket has traveled farther than you ever have.
You got Sylvester back?
Well, part of him.
Sort of. Same skull.
The person who I traded him to kinda, skin him.
It's traveled
Yeah, no, I
with 4
remember.
different people across America.
Oh crap, that's one I gave you because I wasn't using it.
Right?
I forgot all about it.
Now it's
Well, we got it
washed,
back.
smells like lavender.
Oh, he smells so good, thank you. Oh my god, I love him so much.
Let's travel through 4. Oh, his ears are different.
I found another hole. But that is okay, because I can fix him.
Why is the ear so small now?
His ears are actually not small. This is the same foam that was used
But
in his
why aren't
previous
they
ears.
fucking
Because.
big boy ears?
Now, big reveal. Time to put him on.
Can I put them on?
No.
You know I like that the most. I like him more than you.
You do not like him more.
Don't sit like that, Josh. You got that.
There's another piece of foam in here. Huzzah! Mattress foam! Bonk.
Hey, come here.
Now, I'm really hoping he fits me because, I mean, small head time. I mean, well, I have big head. Big head time.
Big head, big head. Josh has small head.
That's
Small
big,
brain.
right? Look how I'm gonna transport you over.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Yo, it's just like I remember. Oh, this is great. I love this. I'm gonna add some extra padding to him because he needs it for me because I have such a big head. It doesn't quite go on the jaw all the way, so I'll be doing that at a later date. But we look at the man's and we appreciate him for everything that he is.
Watch. Here, look. Watch this.
Be careful with her.
There's a beard, baby.
And he still has the horns, but they're painted a different color. So let me explain what all on this skulldog is the same as Sylvester. I'll actually, when I edit this, I'll insert a picture of the original Sylvester and what he looked like. The ears, the foam on the ears are the same foam that was used in his past ears. The tuft is the same tuft. The horns are the same horns. The cream is the same cream that was used for this part. This is new. All the orange fur is basically recycled from his past self. The skull is the same, it's just painted differently. It needs a little bit of a new repaint, which I can do that later today too. But it's my man's! I love him! I missed him so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I can't, words cannot describe how I feel right now. I wonder how it's gonna feel when I put the mask on.
Yeah, I can't
It's Corona time. All sorts of goodies. You remember Sylvester? Yeah.
Same skull, but the
She remembers them.
skin and the fur. As you can see, he's not bright
The orange and the cream are the same orange and cream that was on him before. They just recycled it.
But as you can see,
And the
I'm
top
very
of the
upset
horns.
that his ears
Yeah, I
are, you
remember
know,
his ears being huge.
they're like,
Yeah, I remember his ears being very huge, but they're not huge anymore. So they must have been.
oh yeah,
trimmed
did I
down.
see her?
Yeah, that's his girlfriend.
Yeah, remember you showed me.
floppy ears. Ah!
Yes.
Danny. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Do you think Lindor chocolates
So.
are rich people chocolates? What? Lindor chocolates.
There are, when you feel up his ears, you do feel that there are some blue spots. That is okay. I don't think he's gonna be falling apart anytime soon, but if he does, I have glue to fix him. It's Ava. And might as well, since I did not do a video for his girlfriend's unboxing on here, I'm going to show you guys his girlfriend, Quinn. This is Quinn. This is Sylvester's girlfriend. I'm gonna be putting her on. Josh, be careful with him.
Big head.
It's really hard to do.
It's not as snug as it used to be.
I know.
But I like it.
I'll be fixing him shortly.
It's fine. I mean, I can talk and it moves a little bit.
Come here. Yes. Alright guys, so that was Sylvester's unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I enjoyed it very well. There is a bunch of goodies here. I'm only guessing that this can be put on my face like this. But it would work better for Sylvester. It doesn't work for Quinn. Don't ask questions. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing just as much as I did. This is Sylvester. He's back home with me, and I am more than happy to have him back home with me. Thank you, Saltyneo, for doing this trip with me. And tomorrow, when Sylvester comes, well, not Sylvester, oh my god. When Springer comes, I hope that you enjoy her just as much as I did when I had her.